But what to do if you get arrested? If you get arrested, you're gonna or you get detained and get a ticket. All you gotta do is you just don't give them your signature, basically. How I got acquitted for failure to appear is I said it wasn't my signature on the ticket, only my handwriting under duress. I said, show me the ticket I allegedly signed, promising appearance. And the judge showed it to me, and I go, it's not my signature, only my handwriting. So the judge acquitted me for failure to appear. And a judge. That was in 03. So I've basically been successful 100% of the time since then, and that's how I did it. Now, I've covered rescission in other areas, but it's California Civil Code 1688, 1689B1, and UCC 1-103, 2-209, and 1-308, Reservation of Rights. They all kind of work together. And the rescission thing, I kind of cover a lot, so I'm going to kind of go into, let's say you don't rescind, and you don't do that. So you go to court. They're going to call your name, and you say, yes, Your Honor, I'm here regarding that matter. Then they're going to ask you, are you so-and-so? And you say, no, I'm so-and-such of the such-and-such family, and you capitalize your last name, the first letter anyway, and the rest smaller case, and you spell it out lowercase. And then they'll charge you with what they are, what they say, and then basically all crimes are commercial. USC 27, CFR 72.11, and the Admiralty flag is for U.S. vessels, which aren't human beings, or they aren't people, they're persons, corporations. So USC 46, Section 30101 says that their Admiralty, maritime jurisdiction, yellow goldfinch and all that is for U.S. vessels who cause injury. Now, I'm not a vessel. U.S. is a corporation. It's a foreign country to the United States, or to the USA. USA and U.S. are foreign countries, according to the Judge's Handbook, pages 311 and 314 of 2000 edition of the Judge's Blue Book, which calls USA listed as a foreign country. And what else? USC Code says that the United States is a foreign corporation with respect to a state, and then all departments of the corporation are part of the corporation. California Civil Code, Commercial Code says that the United States is located in the District of Columbia, 9307H. So basically how it works is all this stuff they're trying to do, they're all agencies of the IMF, and they're all contracting with they're all privateers, and they're all contracting personage, peonage, all the P's, and they're going around charging you with stuff, and it's a contract offer. Now, they make you sign. Well, we already told you how to get out of that. You say it's not your signature on a ticket, only your handwriting under duress when you go to trial. And you'll win. And so it's the same thing, all the crimes are commercial. You agree to it. As long as the Supreme Court says that to be that statute that would deprive a citizen of a person or property without first affording him the common law will not be the law of the land. If common law can try to cause that alone, it takes away admiralty jurisdiction. The vehicle code is for those who are employed by the state while in the course of employment. That's 21052 of the California Vehicle Code. If you get or retain a driver's license, certificate of ownership, or registration, then you agree to obey the vehicle code. That's 17460 and 17459 of the vehicle code. And 260 says, the vehicle code says that if you house cars, van pools, and passenger vehicles not used for commerce are not commercial vehicles. So basically it's all commerce, and the Constitution doesn't matter. All it is contracts. So if you learn how to rescind the contract and say, hey, no thanks, I don't, there's no injured party here. That's how you challenge jurisdiction also. You find out if there's an injured party, because you have a right to the 7th Amendment common law trial that rules common law if there's no injured party. And that's how I challenge jurisdiction. Although I don't do that anymore, I rescind. I'm sure I'll have to go to court again someday, but for now, it works for me. Anyways, I'm going to wrap it up. That's how I did it. I got $150,000 bail dismissed. I got a failure to appear, failure to pay, and failure to go to jail because I rescinded a plea agreement a year later, and I didn't do what they said. And I said, hey, you know what? I'm going to take this, fight this some more, because it was for a traffic ticket, and it was for contempt of court because I was challenging jurisdiction, and I tried to arrest the judge, who threatened me for challenging jurisdiction, which the Supreme Court says can be done at any time, even upon final decision, and once it's been challenged, the court can't proceed until it's been proven. So basically what I'm doing here is I don't use zip codes. I don't have CA. I have California. I don't accept any mail from the government, and it says as such, because that's fiction, and I'm not a commercial entity. So that's basically how you be sovereign, or whatever you want to call it. Don't use the word sovereign, no, because you want to use the term "I'm one of the people," not a sovereign, because that's the same thing. You don't say you're not a sovereign, but you just say you're one of the people, and that's saying you're sovereign, because a people isn't a person. A person is a corporation, whoever and anyone, a nom de guerre corporation, fictitious dead entity, and when they summons you, they're summoning his dead spirit, basically, and you have to go to the judge in his black robe and be summoned to life from the dead, and to appear, because basically it's just all some kind of stuff you don't want to even be involved in. And remember, common law, no victim, no crime. Those codes I mentioned before, I'm not going to go over them because I don't have time, but basically just all those codes I said, remember them. Okay, guys, and we'll see you again. Have a nice day, and hope the dam, praying for people that Oroville Dam doesn't break. All right, bye-bye.